In this video, I'm going to unbox and review Fuhlen G900S mechanical gaming keyboard with Cherry MX Black switches, so stay tuned. I'm going to go over some of the features of this keyboard. Fuhlen is a German name, but I think this keyboard is made in China, but keys obviously imported from Germany. This one uses the Cherry MX Black switches. If you guys are looking for a gaming keyboard, there's only two switches that you guys need to use. You need a linear switches. The first one would be Cherry MX Red, and the second one is a Cherry MX Black. And the difference is for Cherry MX Black, you just need more force to push the keys. So it's better for fast-paced gaming. Price of this keyboard at the time of recording is $67 on Amazon. The version that I have here is a full-size design with 104 keys, anti-ghosting. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box and show you guys what's inside. There you go. We have the braided cable, the USB Type-A connection. Here it is. Full-size gaming keyboard. It's kind of heavy. I like the feeling of it. And it doesn't come with the wrist rest, but that's okay. I'm just worried that the color white becomes yellow the more you use this keyboard, but we'll see if that happens. So I installed the keyboard, and one thing that I noticed is this keyboard is not backlit. There is no LED on this keyboard, so it might be hard at night to see the keys. And the keys are anti-ghosting and very smooth. When I type, I don't really notice any lag when I do type. Okay, so overall, I like the feel of this keyboard and I'm happy with the quality and the build of the keys. One thing that I don't like is that it doesn't come with the wrist rest and it doesn't have the backlit lighting. Typing, noise, and the gaming goes, I think this is a really good keyboard for those experiences. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and I will answer your questions, and I see you guys in the next video.